Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the previous video we have done phonic sounds of each letter A to Z. Now I will tell you what is the difference between letter sound of V and letter sound of W. Okay? V sound is V and W sound is V. But how to pronounce V? Just bite your inner lips with your upper teeth. Okay? Look the diagram and follow the pattern. Okay? Like I have drawn teeth which are biting lower lips. In the same way you will do, bite your lower lips and then say V. V. With biting your lips. V. And for W. In W, don't bite. Okay? Just round your lips. Like you are whistling. Okay? Just round your lips. Look at the picture. Okay? And do it the same. And then say wah. How will you say? Wah. In the V, you will bite your lower lips. And for W, you will round your lips. Okay? Just keep it in mind. Bite your lips when you say V. And round your lips when you say W. Repeat some words after me. For V, bite your lips. Okay? Say V, van. V, vest. V, what. V, violin. V, volcano. Now W, round your lips. All of you round your lips. How will you say? For W, wah. Wah, round your lips. Okay? Then say wah, water. Wah, wash. Walk. Wand. Wolf. Okay? I hope you understand. In the next video, I will tell you what is the difference between letter sound of C and letter sound of K. If you like my way of teaching, please like, subscribe and share so that I can create more videos with more efforts. Now it's time to say bye-bye.